platforms like India Global Forum make me proud as a global Indian living in Abu Dhabi, because they put India on the map and they showcase the best that India has to offer across thought leadership, across policy, across academia, across industry. I've been a founder earlier, this is my second venture, but I truly believe that if early stage entrepreneurs are empowered with the right knowledge, networks and capital, it can change the game. I didn't succeed in my first venture, but that's something that I want to solve now with my second venture for more and more female founders that have the aspirations and the ambitions, but not necessarily the right knowledge, networks and capital to be able to grow global. The biggest challenge is always number one, access, right? India, we have an 8 billion population that's accounted for, of which 15% of the startup ecosystem today has women in founding or co-founding roles. But many of them sit in tier 2, tier 3 cities. We, of course, do make several efforts in order to mobilize action in tier 2 and tier 3 cities. However, our focus currently in the next 5 years is to get the top of the table ready in tier 1 cities so that they are able to open more and more doors into tier 2 and tier 3 India. So when it comes to women, the bigger challenge is access. And I think with the platforms that we enable, the opportunities that we enable, especially for female founders across India and UAE is where my core competence lies. We recently launched in Singapore and are now expanding to the US in September. I think we're on a growth track. I may not have all the definite answers, but I know we're on to something. And the impact is what we want to create, where any woman that has a large enough vision to build a global business, Incubate can enable that.